All right, what do we have here? Beautiful set. Yes. This is Torrance Davis of Davis Daily. Doing a lighting check right now. And it's pretty damn good. I'm creating something new for you guys, a new show about stripping things down and seeing what's underneath. So, wife guidance is suggested. Anyway, I'm building something. I wouldn't say building. I'm producing a new show for Davis Daily because I wanted to separate things out and find a way for me to produce more videos per week. So that's why I'm here. I wanted some more space. I get tired of my little man cave, and until I buy a house with a proper studio space, I figured, hey, this studio's all over. So here I am. Stay tuned. Peace out.